Welcome! If you want to stay ahead with the latest features and updates on Instagram, enabling email notifications for tips and tools is a smart move. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on these notifications so you never miss out on helpful resources straight from Instagram. First, open up your Instagram app and head over to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap it to get started. Next, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. This is often called the menu or the hamburger icon. Tap on it and a list of options will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control everything about your Instagram experience, from account security to how you receive updates. Now, tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize which alerts you want to receive, whether it's about new followers, direct messages, or, in this case, helpful emails from Instagram. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Email Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. Here, you'll find different types of emails that Instagram can send you. To get tips and resources about Instagram's tools, look for the toggle that says Get Tips and Resources about Instagram's Tools. Switch this toggle on. Once you do, you'll start receiving emails directly from Instagram with tips, updates, and resources designed to help you make the most out of the platform's latest tools and features. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're making sure you stay informed and get valuable insights delivered right to your inbox. This can help you discover new ways to grow your presence, engage your audience, and use Instagram's features to their fullest. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to get the most out of Instagram. Stay updated and enjoy exploring all the new tools Instagram has to offer.